Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you class 5th English language lesson 14 voice. So in this chapter we will talk about active and passive voice, how we will change our sentence into passive voice. Let's start the chapter. First of all, I want to tell you what is active voice and what is passive voice. Active voice tells us what a person or things does. The subject performs the action on the object, and for this we need to make a sentence subject plus verb plus object. Example: Anna painted the house. The teacher always answers the students' questions. Ali posted the video online. Next is what is passive voice. Passive voice tells us what is done to someone or something. The subject is being acted upon. And when we change active voice into passive voice, so object of active voice will become subject of active voice. So in this, here you can see that to make any sentence into passive voice, we need object plus verb plus subject. Example: the house was painted by Anna. The students' questions are answered by the teacher. The video was posted online by Ali. And in the next slide, I will tell you one by one that how you will change active into passive. So here is some common rules that you should follow to change any sentence into passive voice. First is, as I told you, that subject of active voice will become object of passive voice, and object of active voice will become subject of passive voice. So bring the object first, then second is choose correct be form. According to the sentence, we will choose it. Then third, change verb into participle. It means that in every sentence we use verb third form only, past participle form. And last one is that before writing the subject we will add by, then we will write subject. As example, you can see that she helps him. So this is in active voice, and he is helped by her. This is in passive voice. And while changing the sentence, she helps him, the object him has become he in passive voice as a subject. And according to the sentence we have used is helped. Then before going to write subject as object we use by, and she become her. So he is helped by her. Let's see. Here is some pronouns that we use and you should learn, because we need it when we change any subject into passive voice object. Like I will become me, you will be you, he will become him, she will become her, it will be it, we become us, you, they will become them. So according to this format we change pronouns when we change our sentence into passive voice. So tense wise we will see how the sentence we will change. First is simple present tense. And in active, rule is to make any sentence in a simple present tense, first of all we will write subject, then verb first form, and according to the subject we use s or es, then object. Like example, he writes an essay. And when we change this rule in passive voice, we use first of all object, then in simple present tense any sentence change into passive voice. After writing object we use is, am, are according to the object. Then verb third form, as I have mentioned that only verb third form we will use in passive voice. Then by, then subject. Now see how we change this example. He writes an essay in passive voice. An essay. I have started this an essay. An essay is a object in active voice, but when we are going to write or change this example into passive voice, we have used object in the place of subject like an essay. Then according to the an essay we have used is, then verb third form of writes, then by, and he become him. So an essay is written by him. Next is present continuous tense. Rule: in present continuous tense we need subject, then is, am, are, then verb ing form, then object. Example: he is writing an essay. And when we change this rule or example into passive voice, rule will become, first of all we will write object of active voice, then according to the object is, am, are. With is, am, are we use being, then verb third form, then by, then subject. So he is writing an essay, will we change this sentence into passive voice and it will become, an essay is being written by him. As you can see that the example I have used object of active voice, I have made subject of passive voice, then subject will become at last. Next is present perfect tense. There is a rule: in active voice we need subject, then according to the subject we will use has, have, then verb third form and then object. Example: he has written an essay. And when we are going to change this in passive voice, the rule will become just opposite of active, like object, then has, have, and with has, have we use been in passive voice, then verb third form, then by, and subject. So example will be changed in passive voice, it will become, an essay has been written by him. Next is simple past tense. In active there is a rule: subject, then after subject we use verb second form, then object. Example: he wrote an essay. In passive voice, rule will become, first of all object we will write, then was verb we will write, then verb third form, then by, and at last subject. And example: in an essay was written by him. Past continuous tense. In active, rule is subject plus was verb plus verb ing form plus object. Example: he was writing an essay. And when we will change this in passive voice, rule will become just opposite of active, like object plus was verb, then being, verb third form, by, and subject. An essay was being written by him. Okay, next is past perfect tense. In active, rule subject plus had plus verb third form plus object. Example: he had written an essay. And when we change in passive, rule object plus had plus been plus verb third form plus by plus subject. And example: an essay had been written by him. Next is simple future tense. In active, rule is subject plus will / shall plus verb first form plus object. Example: he will write an essay. And when we change it into passive, rule is object plus will shall plus be plus verb third form plus by plus subject. Example, an essay will be written by him. Next is future perfect tense. In active, rule is subject plus will shall plus have plus verb third form plus object. Example, he will have written an essay. And in passive, rule will become object plus will shall plus have plus being plus verb third form by then subject. Example, an essay will have been written by him. When you observe all the slides, you can see that in every tense I have changed all the sentence into passive voice by following the rules that I have mentioned in second or third slide. So you have to follow or you have to learn all that rules, that if any sentence you are going to change in passive voice, first of all subject of active voice will become object of passive voice, and object of passive voice will become subject of passive voice. Then according to the be form you will use that whatever subject according to that, or what according to the sentence tense, according to the tense you have to use be form like is, am, are, was, were, will, shall, all these. Then third is that in every sentence of passive voice we use only past participle, that is verb third form, and at last we add by, then we write subject. So all the rules in active according to the tense or passive both you have to learn, then only you will be able to change any sentence of any tense in passive voice. And one more thing, that is we know that 12 kinds of tenses are there, but only these we have to change it. So you have to learn all this rule. So I hope students you might understood all these rules, and if you have still doubt, first of all learn the rules, then according to the tense learn the structure, then still if you have a doubt, when I will take online class you can ask, I will clear your all doubts. Thank you, have a nice day.